आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सॉल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
Question that was given to us is that is a vertical pole with height more than 100 meter consists of two parts, the lower part being 1/3 of the whole at a point on a horizontal plane through the foot and 40 meter from it. The upper part subtends an angle whose tangent is that is 1/2. What is the height of the pole? So in the question that is AB is given that is a vertical pole. So AB is equals to that is vertical pole and it was given that the lower being the 1/3, that is, so we have taken AB is equals to that is height h, that is equals to vertical pole, and the lower being that is h/3 and the remaining is 2h/3. And it was given that the value of that is at a point on the horizontal plane through the foot, and this is the upper part subtended angle whose tangent is 1/2. So we know that tan theta is the tangent, and that is given equals to 1/2. So the value of tan theta is given equals to 1/2. Now according to the diagram, if we say that in triangle, so AB is the vertical pole and it was 2 meter away. So first of all, that is in triangle, that is DBC, in triangle DBC, so the angle is that is, this is alpha, so we can say that value of tan alpha, that is perpendicular upon base, which is h/3 divided by base, that is 2. So this value we get that is equals to h/6. Now in triangle, that is big triangle, that is ABC, in triangle ABC, so tan beta, that is this whole angle, tan beta, that is equals to perpendicular upon base, which is AB, by BC, and that is equals to whole AB is equals to h height, and BC is that is 2 meters, so h/2. So we get the value of tan alpha equal to h/6 and the value of tan beta equal to h/2. Now we can write that is tan theta. We can find the angle of that is tan theta. So theta is equals to that is this whole angle beta minus alpha. So we can write it as that is equals to tan of beta minus alpha. We can write it tan theta equal to tan of beta minus alpha. And the formula for that is tan A minus B, that is tan A minus tan B divided by that is 1 plus tan A tan B, 1 plus tan A tan B. We know this formula. So now using same formula here, we can write this tan beta minus alpha, that is equals to tan beta minus that is tan alpha divided by 1 plus tan beta tan alpha, 1 plus tan beta tan alpha. Now by putting these value, we get that is tan theta, that is equals to 1/2 value that is given in the question. So we can write it that 1/2 is equals to tan beta. Value of tan beta is that is h/2 minus that is tan alpha, which is h/6. That we have calculated is h/6. That will be 1 plus h/2, 1 plus h/2 multiplied by h/6. So this value will become that 1/2 is equals to, so if we take LCM, the LCM is 6. So we get that is 3h minus h divided by 6, and this is whole divided by, so this will become 12. So LCM is 12 plus h square, that is divided by 12. So this 6 cancel this 12 by 2. So we get this value that is 1/2 is equals to, this 2 comes in numerator. So we get this value that is 2h multiplied by 2, that is 4h divided by 12 plus h square. Now if we cross multiply, we get that is 12 plus h square is equals to 8h, and the value we get is that is h square minus 8h plus 12 is equals to 0. So this is our quadratic equation. So we have to find out the roots. So we have to find out such root that if we add these roots, that let roots be a plus b, so we get the value that is minus 8h, and when we multiply those roots, we get the value that is 12h square. So the factor of that is 12 are that is 6 and 2, 12 and 1, and 4 and 3. So if we start from 4 and 3, so if we plus 4 and plus 3, it will be 7. So but we need 12, and 4 minus 3 is 1, so this is not the factor. 12 plus 1 is 13, but we want 12. 12 minus 1 is 11, but we want 12, so this is also not the factor. Sorry, we need 8, so 12 minus 1 is 13, so 4 plus 3 is 7, this is not the factor. Similarly, 6 minus 2 is 4, but we need 8, and 6 plus 2 is 8, so this is the factor. And we can easily see that the 6 plus 2 is 8, this means we need negative, so both the terms are negative. So we can write here that is h square minus, we can write it as 6h minus 2h plus 12 is equals to 0. If we take h common, we get h minus 6 minus 2 common, h minus 6 equals to 0. So we get the value that is h minus 2 is equals to 0 and h minus 6 equal to 0. So we get two values, that is h is equals to 2 meter and 6 meter. So this is our final answers. Thank you.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट IIT JEE मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज़्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनेट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।